Guys, in this video, we will be learning what is multiple inheritance. In the previous video, we discussed what is single inheritance. It means a child class inherits from a single parent class. Means one child class and one parent class. This is called a single inheritance. In multiple inheritance, one child class can inherit from multiple parent classes. That is called multiple inheritance. We'll be taking the same example of vehicle and car. So let's create a one class, vehicle door class. Okay. Here we have to define, let's say, number of doors. Simple function we have to add, that is get vehicle doors. Print a simple message, use f string, then we can use this curly braces, number of doors. This is a simple message we are going to print on this function. Now we have to create another parent class, vehicle seats, that seat color we can say. Then we are going to create another function, any parameter self dot seat color. This is our second parent class. Now what we have to do, we have to create a child class, that is our car class. We have to inherit both classes, vehicle doors and vehicle seats. Okay. Function def print, define some name for this car, let's say car name. Okay. Then self car name equals to car name, car details, or then self dot car name. To use a constructor to pass on this car name. So I'm removing this assignments from here to there. Okay. Now it is time to create an instance of the classes and execute those behaviors, those functions. Okay. So I have to pass on the car name, let's say BMW. Okay. Then C1 dot the get car details. Okay. This is our car function. It will print the car details. C1 dot get vehicle doors. You see, right? And then C1 dot get let me remove few lines, blank lines. Okay. And let's run the program. Okay. And see what is the output. So there is a spelling mistake. Seat color is typo mistake. Let's run. Car name is BMW. Default vehicle doors are 2 by default from the base class. But we can pass on the number of doors from the car template itself, so that we will see vehicle seat color is white. What we'll do, we'll pass on the color and the number of doors into the parent class from the child class, right? How we will do that? So what we have to do, we have to add two parameters in the constructor, let's say color, then number of doors, right? Self. Okay. So that is the seat color, that is the number of doors. Okay. So far so good. So what we have done, we have now pass on the two more parameter, color and the number of doors from the car instance, blue, then number of doors. Let's run the program. So you see, car name is BMW, number of doors we have passed on 4, while the default number of doors was 2, but we have set number of doors from the child constructor and we have passed on the arguments from child to the parent. Okay. If you want to create another object of the class for different car, let's say Tata, it will print the different information for this object, for this car. So we have now two total cars, BMW, number of doors 4, color is blue. Another car we have Tata, then we have number of doors 5, the color is yellow. Very simple. So this is called a multiple inheritance.
That brings us to the end of today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.